Hi guys, let's discuss about how to install node.js in our Windows machine. So basically for that you just need to open any URL, okay, just paste node.js downloader, okay, then just open the particular official site of node.js, then you will get this kind of window. Just click on Windows installer, okay, it will install these kind of application in your system, okay. Then you need to just install that setup, okay. Make sure you accept this agreement, okay. And while installing, just copy this path, then next, okay. Here you have to just select this pop-up, okay. Then next, install, okay. Click on as, okay. Make so we'll do one thing. We'll set that particular path in our environmental variable. Just click on edit the system environmental variable, then environmental variable, just then system variable. In that you have to click on new, then variable name should be node home, okay. Node underscore home, and path will be the copied path, node.js, okay. Then click on ok, and ok, and just okay. Here you can see that node.js is installed in our system. Then click on finish. It will directly open one terminal. Just press any key, okay. Again press any key. Now it will open one pop-up window that will download the required application to our system, okay. It will take some time. Make sure you don't close any kind this kind of window while installing the node.js. You can see that it is installing the versions, okay. This is how node.js will be installed in your system. To check whether it is installed correctly or not, just open command prompt, then write node, okay, hyphen v. Okay, here you can see that we have version 22.14. It is a latest version, and we have successfully installed this version in our system. Thank you guys. Bye.